Unveiling the mechanical ghosts, the top 10 rarest motorbikes ever made. Number 10, the Ducati Desmosedici RR, built in 2007, 1,500 units. 9. The Honda RC30. Only 3,000 were made between 1987 and 1990. 8. The MV Agusta F4 CC. A limited run of just 100 units around 2006. 7. The Yamaha R7 or Ogazo 2. Only 500 units were produced in 1999 for racing homologation. 6. The Honda CX500 Turbo, a pioneer from 1982 with less than 100 known survivors. 5. The Bro Superior SS100, the Rolls-Royce of motorcycles, which saw 383 units between 1924 and 1940. 4. The Norton Manx, produced in tiny numbers, making post-war models exceedingly rare. 3. The Egli Vincent, a custom-frame classic from the 1970s with fewer than 100 ever created. 2. The Vincent Black Lightning. Built from 1948 to 1952, only 33 units were produced. And the rarest, the 1915 Cyclone Racer. With only 6 units originally created, this is a true one-of-a-kind legend.